iPhone battery life has improved significantly over the last few years, and our current list of the greatest phone battery life includes two members of the iPhone 15 series, the iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, future iPhones may have even longer battery life due to a new design that increases energy density. This information comes from Ming-Chi Kuo, a longtime analyst at XQ, predicts that Apple will use a stainless steel housing for the iPhone battery, increasing cell density by 5 to 10%. This will maintain the battery within safe limits while still meeting new EU regulations. This new battery is expected to be included in several of this year's iPhones, with Kuo earlier saying that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be a major beneficiary of the denser batteries. That implies Apple may provide longer battery life with the same battery size, or reduce the battery size to deliver something akin to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. According to Kuo, stainless steel isn't as good at dispersing heat as the present aluminum design, therefore Apple will need to come up with a solution. However, the battery will be more protected. It's unknown whether additional iPhone 16 phones will reap the same benefits, or if they'll be stuck with batteries identical to the iPhone 15 series. According to one of Kuo's prior estimates, a complete series deployment may not occur until the iPhone 17, and acceptance would be determined by how well the new batteries are welcomed. The discrepancy might be significant if only the new batteries are intended to comply with EU regulations. These standards, which go into effect next year, say that phone users should be able to change their batteries with simple and easily accessible equipment. That isn't the case with the iPhone 15, which requires specialist equipment, a battery press, and a pair of adhesive strips that must be carefully removed with tweezers. Breaking them means you can only use solvent. According to a recent story from The Information, which was documented by McRumors, Apple would ease this procedure with electrically induced adhesive bonding. This will allow the battery to be removed using an electrical charge, rather than the present inconvenient technique. We will have to wait and see what happens when the iPhone 16 Pro Max is unveiled, because we may not learn about the new battery technology until the first iPhone 16 Pro Max teardowns appear online. In the meantime, make sure to visit our channel for the most recent news and updates. According to a fresh story from South Korea, the first Apple handsets would use Samsung's high-performance M14 OLED display panel. According to ET News, Samsung's M series of OLED panels are designed for premium handsets, with 14 denoting the amount of high-performance materials used to manufacture them. M14 is the first series of its sort, and the panel is believed to be designed to provide excellent brightness and durability. According to reports, Samsung has placed orders for the M14 materials and plans to mass build the screens in the second part of the year for Apple's iPhone 16 Pro versions. Google's Pixel 9 smartphone is the only other gadget predicted to have high-performance screens in 2024. According to a prior source from China, this year's iPhone 16 Pro models could have up to 1,200 nits of normal SDR brightness, a 20% boost over current models. Thus, Samsung's new panel might be responsible for the predicted improvement. However, peak HDR brightness is projected to stay at 1,600 nits, which is the same as the existing iPhone 15 Pro display. Another report from last year stated that all iPhone 16 models will use new microlens OLED display technology to boost brightness and minimize power consumption, although it's unclear whether this is particular to M14 screens. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature bigger displays than the iPhone 15 Pro models, according to various sources. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature a 6.27-inch display, which is rounded to 6.3, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is believed to have a 6.85-inch display, which is also rounded to 6.9. So that's all we have for now on Samsung's foldable smartphones. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this exciting tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.